know what made it wrong.
When he goes under the
What?
ramp, you fall off.
We have to wait until the bubbles start coming up. No, stop.
But what if the bubbles just don't?
Anna, you really should go to the beach and show them how you can fling them across the ocean.
Okay. What if the bubbles don't come?
Because it doesn't sound like none of them really know how to do that.
Gosh darn surprise.
It's in this room, right?
Here we go. Oh, yes, I did it. Let's go. Oh, my God. That was insane.
Are you okay?
Nemo's down.
Oh,
Yeah.
I guess not. He left.
I forgot about that. I forgot she was taking me close again.
Hey, see ya. Do this. Come, quick. Put your controllers on the ground.
So I'll go visit Mima
This
in a
way you
little
won't
bit.
get infected.
Probably
Now go. Go. Put down. No.
Everybody go to pirate ship.
It's not.
Go to where, honey?
Go down.
Pirate ship.
Where's that at? Oh, the pipe. Never mind. I don't know why I thought you said the fire pit.
Oh, that was terrible.
But this time I need to go way earlier.
He sounds very young.
Go as early as you want.
But no matter what, it has to explode.
Everything. On the floor. One. We need to
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah, you can do that.
Whee! All right, Anna, I made it to the pirate ship. Okay, wait till I get down there.
Get on there, please.
I am on here.
Everybody get on the bottom. I won't tag you.
She gonna fly us far.
I can do it myself. You can do it first.
Ooh. Two of us are up here.
I'm just trying to get up here. My new strap.
Oops, sorry.
You wanna be fun?
Here we go.
Yeah, wait till I get up here. Or maybe wait till I get down here, I mean. Where'd all the throwers go?
I'm the only thrower.
Hi, fishies. Hey, Deep Voice.
Yeah.
Do you know that they're putting a fishing rod in here and we're going to start catching fish and you win shiny rocks by whoever gets the heaviest fish at the end of the day, we get a bunch of shiny rocks? Do you know this yet? Did you know that yet? Seems how you know all the secrets.
He doesn't.
Bye, Avery. Oh. Alright, bye.
Oh, I wonder what.
Anyways, I don't really
I just wanted to practice.
Mama, you wanna go to Big Scary?
One sister doesn't know.
Big Scary?
Yeah. Honey, see the little blue monkey? I think he wanted some help.
Here.
The little blue monkey up there. I think he wants someone to help him.
But I wanted to practice. My sister always does it to me, and I'm perfectly fine with it.
Blue, come here.
We are never playing that.
Blue has an attitude on it. We'll go to Big Scary.
No, he's just mad.